So I'm going to start by rewriting this expression. And because it's prefix, basically what that means is you have to draw brackets around a operand and then two operators. So after writing this down, I'm going to draw brackets around the hashtag 24 and then the hashtag 44. And then that's it. So then I'm going to evaluate those two things. So I'm going to carry down the terms I didn't already use. So that's two ats. That becomes a 3. Hashtag 44 becomes a 4. Then carry down the multiplication sign 4, hashtag, and 1, 5. Okay, so the at symbol 3, 4 is another prefix expression. So rewriting that. So you get at 3, 4 becomes square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is square root of 25, which is 5, times 4, then hashtag 1, 5. So the hashtag 1, 5 is also a prefix expression. So I'm going to rewrite that again. So at 5 times 4, then hashtag 1, 5, which is 3. And then times 4, 3 is another prefix expression. So I'm going to rewrite that in this next step. That becomes at 5, 12, which equals 13.